Hi, and welcome to Adventure, Bushcraft, and Survival. Today I'm going to do a review of a product called the Wildo Hiker Bottle. Stay tuned. Here's the Wildo Hiker Bottle. It is a product out of Sweden, the Wildo company. It contains 24 ounces. It came, the little tag on it. It's all Bpa-Free, some kind of plastic that's not harmful. It's got a cap on it, standard little built-in lanyard with the plastic ring around it, and there's a place to attach a carabiner. It actually came with a black carabiner that's on one of my bags. Now I've been carrying this thing around for a couple of weeks, and one of the things that I really like about it is it holds a little bit less than the standard GI water bottle, but look at the profile of it. It's it really fits in the hand. And what I've been using it for is, I don't like to bring bottles of water with me places. I like to try to conserve and not put so much stuff back into, even though I recycle like crazy. It's easier, it's better to just have a canteen, fill it up, and I can just endlessly refill this, and it always, this product's always here for me. So but this thing's been great. I've been taking it out on these little half-day trips. I've done some videos about some reforestation projects, which is a multi-year commitment, and I go out and service these trees and stuff, and I like to bring this with me. I got a couple little tools with me, a little belt kit, a little day pack with a couple of things in it that I'll need, and tools and stuff, and just this. This is perfect for me for a little half-day excursion or what have you. And there's not too much more to say about this bottle except for that I really like it. I've been carrying it with me, and I totally recommend this. It comes in several other colors. I didn't want any of the subdued colors. It comes in black. I think it's there's like an OD or flat dark earth and maybe a tan or something, but I want something visible. If I got my canteen somewhere, I'm not doing anything tactical or anything with this. So Wildo Hiker Bottle, awesome product. Please like, share, and subscribe this video, and thank you for watching.